In this lecture, we will see one example that is relating to decimal to any other number system. So, decimal to any other number system. So, here I am taking the example 56.25. So, this should be converted to binary and also octal and also hexadecimal. So let us see how to find the decimal number system to binary, octal and hexadecimal. So first we see that is the conversion of decimal data into the binary. So 56.25. So 56, for 56 you have to take the successive division with respect to 2. So here we are finding the decimal to binary. So decimal data 56.25. So first you have to take the 56 here. So that 56 you have to do the successive division with respect to 2. So 2 2's 4, next it goes 2 8's, so remainder is 0. So 2 1's 2, 2 4's 8, remainder is 0. Next 2 7's 14, next again it goes 2 3 6, remainder is 1 here. Next it also goes 2 1's 2, remainder is 1. So what we got here? So 56 in terms of binary is equal to 1 1 1 0 0 0. So from down to up, bottom to up. So now you have to find the 0.25. 0.25 decimal data that should be converted into the binary here. Okay, so before point you have to do the successive division. So after point you have to do multiplication with respect to what type of conversion? So with respect to 2 here. So see, so 0.25. So we are converting this decimal data to binary. So for that you have to multiply with 2 here. Okay, so 0.25 into 2. So what will we get? 0.5. So that 0 you have to take here. Next, here we got 0 taking like this and we got 0.5. So again 0.5 into 2. So what we get? 0.5 into 2? It is 1.0. So again have to take 1 like this. So next 1 it goes like this. So the left bit is 0. So 0.0 only. Into 2 means we got 0.0 only. Okay, so stop to stop here. So you have to take from up to, that means top to bottom, top to bottom. So here before point you have to take bottom to up. So after point you have to take up to bottom. Okay, so only 2 points is enough. So no need to take more numbers. So point after 2 points, two numbers is enough. So we got 0.25 in decimal data, that is should be converted as 0.1 in binary. So total what we got here? So 56.25. No? So that we have converted. So what we got here? So 56 first we have find it. So what's the 56 in binary representation? So that is 111,000 point. So we got 2.25 in binary representation by the multiplication process. What we got here? 0 1. So 0 1. So this is the process to convert the decimal data to the binary. So likewise only we can convert so octal and hexadecimal. So